Looking to enjoy fresh lemonade and other delicious juices? This electric citrus juicer makes the process simple and quick. With a large 34-ounce pitcher, you can serve a crowd without any hassle, and the clear measurement markings help you follow recipes perfectly. It comes with 2 nesting reamers, allowing you to juice everything from tiny key limes to large grapefruits. Plus, you can control how much pulp goes into your drink by adjusting the dial, with pulp collecting in the strainer for easy disposal. This smart pressure cooker connects to an app for guided cooking with over 600 recipes and videos. It features a built-in scale for precise ingredient measurement, eliminating the need for measuring cups. Automatic pressure release enhances safety, with 3 methods to choose from. The app also offers over 1,000 cooking presets. This sink is equipped with a smart LED display to show the water temperature while you work. It has a dual waterfall system and a retractable faucet with multiple spray settings for different cleaning tasks. There's also a glass rinser that reaches all parts of cups for a thorough rinse. Sound-absorbing pads help keep the kitchen quieter during use. And the sink is built for easy drainage to prevent water from sitting at the bottom. Transform your juicing experience with this hands-free slow juicer, boasting an impressive 3,000 cc capacity. The automatic cutting feature eliminates prep time, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables effortlessly. Equipped with a durable, quiet motor, it ensures smooth operation. Enjoy versatility with the ability to make juices, smoothies, and dairy-free ice cream. Eco-friendly materials and easy cleaning tools make this a smart choice for health-conscious consumers. This smart digital kitchen scale simplifies meal preparation with precision. Weighing up to 22 pounds, it provides accurate measurements in ounces and grams, making it perfect for portion control and dieting. The rechargeable design eliminates the need for frequent battery replacements. With an intuitive app that tracks nutritional intake and trends, it's an essential tool for health-conscious cooking. Experience effortless grinding with this electric herb grinder. Capable of processing up to 120 grams of herbs or spices in just 5 to 10 seconds. The visual lid allows easy monitoring of coarseness, while the one-button operation ensures safety. Grinding only starts when the lid is pressed down. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for herbs, spices, and coffee beans alike. If you're considering a bladeless fan for your space, this one provides a safe way to enjoy cool air without any exposed blades. It uses a smooth airflow to keep the environment comfortable, making it suitable for homes with children and pets. With 8 speed settings and multiple wind modes, you can customize your cooling experience. The fan oscillates 90 degrees to circulate air widely in the room. This is a bread slicer that makes it easy to cut your homemade bread just the way you like it. With 3 thickness settings, you can choose between thin, medium, or thick slices. Its foldable design saves space in your kitchen, and the non-skid grip keeps it steady while you slice. The included stainless steel knife is great for cutting through any type of bread, and it stores securely for safety. Plus, the removable crumb tray helps keep your kitchen clean with minimal effort. This is a food chopper designed to reduce prep time significantly. It features stainless steel blades for faster chopping, dicing, and grinding compared to using a knife. With a simple slap action, you can quickly chop garlic and onions without the risk of injury from sharp blades. Cleaning is a breeze, as the chopper disassembles easily for quick rinsing or is dishwasher safe on the top rack. Made from premium materials, it's user-friendly for both expert cooks and novices. Simplify timing tasks with this easy-to-use digital timer featuring a rotary dial for quick adjustments and a one-touch button for start-stop functionality. Suitable for various activities, from cooking to classroom management, it boasts bright LED digits and 3 alarm levels for effective reminders. Designed for energy efficiency, this timer comes with a 1-year guarantee for peace of mind. This is a 6-piece kitchen set that includes all the essentials like a cheese grater, ginger grinder, pizza cutter, bottle opener, vegetable peeler, and herb stripper. Its stackable design makes it easy to store and transport, so you won't lose any tools. Made from high-quality stainless steel and comfortable ABS plastic, these gadgets are lightweight and easy to use. Cleanup is simple since everything is dishwasher safe. This is a mini waffle maker that's perfect for making quick breakfasts or snacks. You can cook more than just waffles. Try out hash browns, cookies, or even mini pizzas. Its small non-stick surface heats up fast and makes cleanup easy, which is great for busy mornings. Ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs, it stores away without taking up much space.